Okay, this will help you out for people that's been here before. That's our driveway. That's where our neighbor's house used to be. This is where our house was. You can see part of the porch left, that's about it. All this damn debris. Right there. It ended up, I'll show you. It ended up part of it over there. Part of it on that hillside. This all right here was my neighbor's house in front of our house. I found him trapped up underneath it, but he survived. All that is part of our house. Used to, you couldn't see the top of the mountain. Now you can. It was all big, 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 tall pine trees. Not no more. Not no more. This is the pond that used to be where my house, and behind where my house used to be. Used to, you couldn't even look down here. There was trees and stuff. Now you can walk down on this side. Insane. Damn. All this hillside is fucking gone. It's insane. In fact, there's a part of his trailer frame that they found him under. It was out here in the road, about right there. I guess they just pushed it off over there if they got him out. Now once I look at the size of this fucking tree, 289-mile-an-hour winds snapped it like a fucking twig. Insane, I know. Here's part of our fireplace. I didn't even notice that until now. Wow. Well, a lot of cleaning up. This fucking sucks.